In North America, there are 22 countries. Canada is the largest country.
Okay.
Different tribes in North America, Native Americans and Inuit peoples.
Okay, Zainab. Thank you. Yes, Rafa. Can you tell me 2 to 3 points?
The largest city of Canada is the largest city of North America is Canada.
Okay. Are you sure it is the largest city?
Yes,
It's the largest country. Okay. The largest country of North America is Canada. Okay.
Canada.
Yes. And
They There are 24 countries in North America.
okay.
590 people live in North America. 590 million people live in North America.
Okay. And
Mexico
yes.
Magna Fall is in Canada. No, North America.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, Ali Ahmed. Can you share 2 to 3 points?
Yes. Teacher, the largest city of Canada of North America is Mexico. 80% pupils are Christian in North America. The
Okay.
animals which are found in North America are Hawaiian monk seal, Luna mon, black-footed beast, and Gila monster.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so I think you all know very clearly about North America. Okay, and you are excellent. Okay, and I'm so proud of you कि आप लोग अपने lecture revise करते रहते हैं. Okay, so now we are going to move on to South America. We are going to move on to the continent of South America, which is the fourth largest continent in the world. I already told you that we are going line wise. Number one was Asia, which is the largest continent. Then we move on to Africa, which is the second largest continent. Then we talked about North America, which is the third largest continent. And today we are going to study South America, which is the fourth largest continent in the world. Okay. Yes. There are certain things that you need to be aware of. Okay, that is most of some of you were saying that there are 21 countries. Some are saying that there are 23 countries. So there are 23 countries in North America. Okay, not 22, not 24. Okay, Wafa and Zainab, there are 23 countries in North America. All right. So now we are moving on to okay. There was a none of you told me about the highest peak which is found in North America, and I already told you it is Denali. Okay, the highest peak found in North America was Denali, and told you that the richest country, the richest city in North America is Mexico. Okay, Mexico is the largest city and the richest city in North America. Okay, uh, just go through it, just remember it. And today we're going to start the lecture with South America. Now, okay. Now, South America is basically the continent of South America. Okay, you can see the map of South America over here. Okay, by looking at the map, can you see or can you tell me that what do you think is the largest country in North America? Yes, Hamad.
Yes, miss.
Can you tell me by looking at the map that which country is the largest country in North America?
Brazil.
Exactly. So the largest country found in North America is Brazil. Okay, you can already see on the map of the South America. Sorry, this
Brazil.
country, Brazil. Okay, is on most of the land of South America. सही है, South America का I think most of the land like 60 to 70% land जो है वो ब्राजील ने घेरा हुआ है. सही है. If someone asks you the largest country of South America, you're automatically going to go with Brazil. Okay, moving forward. Now, there are 12 countries in South America. How many countries are there in South America? There are 12 countries found in South America. Okay, the world's highest waterfall that is called as Angel Falls is found in North America. Okay, what's the word waterfall means? Okay, you can all unmute yourselves. Okay, but kindly if you have a question just unmute, ask me, or if I'm asking question just answer me and then mute yourself back. Okay, that way we don't have disturbance in the class. Okay, so what does a waterfall means? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Go ahead and unmute yourself. Yes.
टीचर जहाँ से पानी
Angel-
गिरता है
Angel Falls.
ओके, वाटरफॉल्स किसे कहते हैं? वाटरफॉल इज बेसिकली एक इस तरह की हाइट होती है, इस तरह की स्पेस होती है जहाँ पे वाटर क्या कर रहा होता है, ऊपर से गिर रहा होता है. जस्ट लाइक यू कैन सी इन पिक्चर नंबर 1 दैट इज एंजल फॉल्स. ओके, एंजल फॉल्स इज द हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल दैट इज फाउंड इन साउथ अमेरिका. Okay, and you can see that how tall it is. Okay, for example, in Pakistan, if you visit, you know, our provinces like Gilgit-Baltistan, or if you visit, you know, let's say Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Okay, so over there are so many waterfalls. Okay, there because all these cities, all these provinces are nature's perfection. सही है, हमारी जितनी भी सारी प्रोविंसेस हैं जो भी है वो सारी नेचर के ऊपर बनी हुई है. वहाँ पे आपको सारी ग्रीनरी मिलेगी. सही है, आपको वहाँ पे वाटर्स मिलेंगे.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सही से.
ओके ओके, तो आप लोगों को क्या होगा कि वहाँ पे जो है वो वाटर. ओके, थैंक यू. आप लोगों को वहाँ पे जो है वो वाटर दिखेंगे. सही है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कराची के अंदर हमें जो है वो किसी भी किस्म का मतलब यू नो देयर इज ऑलवेज ओनली सॉल्टी वाटर. सही है, कराची के अंदर इफ यू गो टुवर्ड्स सी व्यू, इफ यू गो टुवर्ड्स एनी हॉक्स पे और एनी काइंड ऑफ बीच, यू विल ओनली फाइंड सॉल्टी वाटर. ओके, बट इन
एंजल फॉल का मतलब क्या होता है?
किसका बेटा?
एंजल फॉल.
एंजल फॉल्स इज द नेम.
साउथ अमेरिका में, ये साउथ अमेरिका में बस 12 कंट्रीज होती हैं.
Exactly, there are only 12 countries found in South America, and Ayan,
Amazon forest.
water Angel Falls is the name of the waterfalls. Just like you know, the name of the beach is Hawks Bay in Karachi. So you know, तो उस तरह से Angel Falls क्या है?
Teacher.
नाम है सिर्फ और सिर्फ. Yes, Wafa.
तुम्हें पहाड़ों की टीचर आप ये डॉक्यूमेंट हमें यूनिवर्सिटी पे सेंड कर दें ताकि रीड कर सकें. कहाँ लिखा है एंजल फॉल?
Okay, there's a problem that we can. There's a problem that we cannot send documents on university. Okay, but I will click the pictures and I will attach the pictures in university. Okay.
Take a screenshot.
Okay.
Screenshot.
Okay.
Yes, you can say screenshots or you can say snapping. Okay. All of these are the same words. Okay, so up till now what we have studied so far is that I told you that you know if we go in our native provinces, if we go in Gilgit-Baltistan, in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, you will see many freshwater lakes. Okay, you will find waterfall over there, you will find some a lot of greenery, a lot of mountains over there. So just like that in South America, if someone asks you that which is the highest waterfall, then you are going to say Angel Falls. Are we clear? Okay, so now the point number 3 is that you know what is the high, you know, there are so many forests in the world. Say but the largest forest is Amazon forest. Okay, and it is found in South America. I think there's a story going on. Okay, ये जो latest news है, I'm just sharing it with you. That what happened is that recently there was a fire in the Amazon forest. You guys know that? Okay, recently अभी क्या हुआ है कि due to I don't know how, but they are saying is that there was a piece of earth that came down on the land. सही है, जैसे कि आप लोग सुना होगा कि कोई चांद आके नीचे जमीन पे गिरता है, या कोई जो है वो सैटेलाइट आके जमीन पे गिरती है। उस तरह से क्या हुआ था कि देयर वाज अ पीस ऑफ लैंड जो कि जब तेज स्पीड से आया था और वो लैंड पे आके गिरा था, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था कि फॉरेस्ट के अंदर आग लग गई थी। सही है, अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट के अंदर जब आग लग गई थी, और उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था कि मोस्टली जो हमारा फॉरेस्ट है उसमें आई थिंक 30 या 40% जो फॉरेस्ट है अमेज़न का, वो पूरा जल के क्या हो गया है, खत्म हो गया है। सही है, व्हाट इज सेइंग इज दैट हमारी जो वर्ल्ड है उसके अंदर की जो ऑक्सीजन होती है, सही है ना, वी ऑल नीड ऑक्सीजन टू ब्रीथ। यहाँ तक आप सबको पता ही होगा, सही है ना, ऑक्सीजन इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस। तो जो अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट है, इसकी वजह से हमारी वर्ल्ड के अंदर जो है वो 70% ऑक्सीजन जो है वो कौन बनाता है, अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट। सही है, तो क्या हो रहा था कि जब यहाँ पे आग लग गई थी और वो कंट्रोल में नहीं आ रही थी, तो लोगों को क्या खतरा होने लग गया था कि अगर इसी तरह चलता रहा तो क्या होगा, हमें जो है वो ऑक्सीजन के लिए ऑक्सीजन मास्क और ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स यूज करना पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि एयर के अंदर क्या होगा, ऑक्सीजन खत्म होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। ओके, द फायर वाज सो बैड एंड रिसेंटली देयर वाज अ फायर इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर भी फॉरेस्ट है, वहां पे भी जो है वो आग लगी है। सही है, और उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि 90 ऑलमोस्ट 80 से 90% जो फॉरेस्ट था ऑस्ट्रेलिया का, वो पूरा जल के क्या हो गया, वो भी खत्म हो गया। सही है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जितने भी एनिमल्स थे वहां पे, आई थिंक देयर वर मोर देन 10,000 एनिमल्स जो कि क्या हुआ, या आई थिंक देयर वर मोर, ओके, अब तक 30 or 40,000 इस तरह के एनिमल्स थे जो कि क्या हुआ, जल के वहां पे खत्म हो गए। सही है, तो इस वजह से क्या कह रहे हैं कि एनिमल्स जो है वो साउथ अमेरिका के अंदर जो भी उनके नेशनल एनिमल्स थे, हो सकता है वो क्या हो जाए, एक्सटेंट हो जाए। एक्सटेंट होने का क्या मतलब होता है कि वर्ल्ड में से क्या हो जाए, खत्म हो जाए, इसी वजह से। सही है, तो इसीलिए क्या कह रहे हैं कि वी शुड प्लांट मोर ट्रीज, ओके, वी शुड मेक द वर्ल्ड ग्रीन। उसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि वी विल बी एबल टू हैव वेरी गुड ऑक्सीजन। सही है, आर वी क्लियर? This was just a news that was going on in the world right now. So if someone asks you how many countries are there in South America, you're automatically going to tell me 12 countries. If someone asks you the highest waterfall, you're going to say Angel Falls. And if someone tells you that what is the largest forest that is found in South America, so you're going to say that Amazon forest. Are we clear? If you are clear, just give me a thumbs up so that we can move on. Hurry up. If you are clear, just give me a thumbs up and we can move forward. ओके, एंड बेटा आप जो अपना यहाँ पे कनेक्ट करते हैं तो अपना नाम जो है वो काइंडली चेंज कर लिया कीजिए ताकि मुझे प्रॉब्लम ना हो। सोहेब मुस्तफा, यस, हु इज सोहेब मुस्तफा? आई डोंट नो। यस सोहेब, वुड यू लाइक टू काइंडली टेल मी हु यू आर? यस शामिर, कैन यू टेल मी हु इज सोहेब मुस्तफा? ओके, हुजैफा।
टीचर आप मुझे फिर से समझा दीजिए क्योंकि मैं अभी आया हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी लाइट गई हुई थी।
Problem. Okay, I already told you that in every class we are going to have a recap. ओके ना, तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ करेगा कि जिन भी बच्चों की लाइट नहीं होती या जिनके साथ कोई भी इंटरनेट का इश्यूज है, तो उसके जरिए क्या हुआ करेगा कि हर क्लास के अंदर आप लोगों को एक रिकैप मिल जाया करेगा लास्ट क्लास। सही है, तो ये जो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी उसके अंदर मुझे जो है वो 3 बच्चे रिकैप देंगे, जिनमें से एक आयशा है, सही है, जिनमें से एक जो है वो अली अहमद है और एक हमाद है। सही है, आप तीनों का क्या काम है, आप लोग मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास के अंदर रिव्यू देंगे, so kindly listen to the lecture very carefully. Are we clear? Okay, Ali, Hamad and Aisha. Okay, thank you. Okay, so Shamir, up till now we only talked about 3 points so far. We talked about uh, South America. Okay, the continent of South America. By looking at the map, okay, Shamir, you can see that which is the largest country found in South America. That is Brazil. Okay, Brazil covers most of the land in South America. Okay, then we talked about that there are 12 countries in South America. Okay, we talked about the highest waterfall, which is called as Angel Falls, and then we talked about the largest forest in the world, which is called as Amazon forest, and it is also found in South America. Now we are moving on to the largest country. Okay, I already told you that by looking at the map, you could tell that the largest country is Brazil. Okay, this country is covering more than half of the continent's landmass. Okay, that is what I already told you, that for example if you have a total of 100%, then up to 60 to 70% land is covered because of Brazil. Okay, Can you see the country of Brazil? This country is very beautiful. It is so big, okay, and you can see that it is near the water. As I already told you, that every country, every continent is surrounded by waters. Okay, so this is the country of Brazil, and this is what the country looks like. Okay, now moving forward to the largest city. Okay, the largest city is automatically going to be a city of Brazil. Okay, as Brazil is the largest country, so automatically the largest city is also going to be from the Brazil. The country, this largest city name is Sao Paulo, which is in Brazil. Okay, can you see the country? The country is very advanced. It is made very beautifully. You can see that there is water, there is lakes in the middle of the city. Okay, and the roads are made very perfectly. Okay, the buildings are there are many huge buildings that are found over there. Okay, and the country is basically you know is liked by all over the people in South America. सही है, this is a very large city और इसकी वजह से क्या है कि पूरी वर्ल्ड में से different people, different tourists जो भी लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, साउ पोलो को visit करते हैं. Okay, so up till now these were the 5 points that we studied so far, and number 6. Okay, the biggest island. Okay, the biggest island found in North America, South America is basically, yes, Kirat,
Amazon.
Wafa, Kirat, and Fahad. Okay,
टीचर अगर ये डॉक्यूमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी पे नहीं जा सकता तो आप ग्रुप में भेज दें ताकि रीड कर सकें.
Wafa, don't worry, I will send you. So yeah, I already told you that I will take snaps and I will upload it on university. Okay. Okay, Wafa. Okay. Now we're going to talk about okay, because of you. Okay, we are going to talk about the biggest island. Okay, just like the biggest island in Asia was Greenland. Okay, that is how the biggest island is known as Terra del Fuego. Okay, the biggest island name is Terra del Fuego. Okay, it is a Spanish word. Okay, and the meaning of is land of fire. Basically, this is called a land of fire. Why? Because there are so many mountains found in this island. Okay, and you all know that in mountains we can find some volcanic mountains. Okay, and one of the largest volcanic mountains are found over there. That is why this land is called as the land of fire. Okay, this is what we are going to study up till now. Okay, just one by one, just tell me one point that you know. Okay, and then we are good to go. Okay, Fatma, can you tell me how many countries are there in South America? Yes, Fatma. How many countries are there in South America? 12 countries. We cannot hear you. Kindly check your mic and answer me again. Yes, Fatma. Okay, Fatma, we cannot hear you. Kindly check your mic and do let me know if everything gets clear. Yes, Aisha. Can you tell me the largest country found in South America?
Largest country,
Largest-
Brazil.
Exactly. Why? Why is Brazil the largest country? How much land does Brazil covers?
Half the continent landmass. The
Okay.
country is covering more than half the continent landmass.
Exactly, Aisha. Thank you so much. Okay, you are as amazing as always. Okay, and you never disappoint me. So, if someone asks you that how much land the Brazil covers, so you are going to say that more than half of the land. Okay, and by more than half, it is automatically means that it takes about 60 to 70% land of Brazil. So yeah, thank you, Aisha. Okay, Aurelia, can you tell me how many countries are found in South America? Yes, Aurelia. Aurelia, we cannot hear you, beta.
It's 13.
13?
No, it's 12 countries.
12. Okay. So how many countries are found in South America? There are 12 countries in South America. Okay, excellent, Ayan. Okay, Farwa. Can you tell me the largest city found in South America? Yes, Farwa. Yes, what is the largest city found in South America? Okay, I think Farwa is having a problem. Yes, Shavi.
टीचर सियो पाओलो
It is Sao Paulo. Okay, Sao, S-A-O, Sao and Paulo. Okay, P-A-O-L-O. Okay, Sao Paulo is known as the largest city of South America. Okay, Shamir, excellent as always. Okay, Hamad, can you tell me which is the largest waterfall found in South America?
Angel.
Angel Falls. Okay, excellent. Okay, Angel Falls is the largest waterfall found in South America. Uh, okay, Ali Ahmed, can you tell me the largest forest that is found in South America?
Amazon forest.
Okay, Amazon forest is the largest forest which is found in South America. Okay, Alishba.
South America.
Yes, Alishba. Can you tell me that what is the largest island found in South America?
Land of fire.
Okay,
Land of fire.
Land of Fire, and it is called as Terra del Fuego, which is a Spanish word. सही है क्यों? क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता होगी कि ब्राजील के अंदर जो है वो डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस यूज होती हैं. सही है, तो इस वजह से जो लैंड ऑफ आयरलैंड इसका नाम किसमें रखा गया है? स्पेनिश में रखा गया. सही है, और इसकी मीनिंग क्या है? लैंड ऑफ फायर. So this was the points that we have studied so far. There are few more information that we are going to share about South America, like the animals, okay, and like some different kinds of things in South America. So we are going to continue the lecture on Monday, okay, and tomorrow. Okay, we are going to continue the lecture tomorrow. Okay, so don't forget that I'm going to ask Ali Ahmed, Hamad, and Aisha. Okay, to give me a recap of the lecture tomorrow. Okay, and this was it for today's class. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned some different things from it.